Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2010 Ford F150. I'm going to start our walk around on the driver's side. Stopping right up front to look at those tires. Just going to be looking for dents, dings, scratches. They've added a nice set of step assists. A little thin spot right there. As we get around to the back, you do have trailer tow included on this truck. Exterior looks good and clean. One little mark there. No major dents, dings to speak of. Taking a look inside the truck now, you do have some power, multiple adjustments here for the driver's seat. It's a nice black leather seating. 133,551 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, satellite radio, all your climate control functionality just below it there. Nice black trim. And then all the flooring is going to match the seating. Inside the back seat now, we'll just do a nice slow pan over the surface back here. Leather looks to be in great shape, no signs of any scratching or wear. You do get rear air control as well as some additional power, and these seats are 60-40 split, revealing that additional cargo space. Full spray-in bed liner. One more look at the back seat from the passenger side now. Lot of legroom in the back of the F-150. Finishing up in the front passenger seat, passenger gets multiple adjustments as well as the driver. One more look over the seating surface. One more spin around the back. Some additional storage here in the armrest, and that's going to wrap up your 2010 Ford F-150.